Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Alisa Abdullaeva and I'm here to help you to create harmonious relationship between a man and a woman. So today friends, this video is for you dear man. And I'm gonna go over a very common mistakes that you men doing. Because when you are upset with your wife or your girlfriend, number one, you're upset because she didn't cook anything and you're hungry after work. Number two, you're upset because you didn't have sex for quite some time. And the third reason is because you didn't make enough money. So it has nothing to do with your wife really. These are the two major things that men typically are upset with a woman. You look, she's upset sitting down on the sofa and you look at her. Honey, do you want a pizza? I can order pizza for you. Are you hungry? She continues to sit and she's not saying anything. You're like, okay, she's not hungry. That did not work. Then you go in your head, the second reason, let me offer her something that's gonna make her happy. Honey, do you wanna go in the bedroom, babe? We're gonna have a good time. And then she looks at you and then you really know she's very upset and the problem is not with sex or intimacy. Then you're scratching your head and thinking, okay, then it's simple. She just probably needs money. You say, honey, let me give you $300. Go to the spa, have a good time, or go shopping. Here it is. She looks at you and says, thank you for $300, but I don't really need money. And she continues being upset. And here you are, bankrupt. Because you tried three things that would make you happy, is food, sex, or money, but this is not the approach that works with women. The best thing you can do is to sit next to your wife and tell her, look in her eyes, take her hands, hold her, and ask her, honey, what's going on? I see you're very sad and upset. What's bothering you? And then she'll look at you and say, Jennifer stopped by earlier and she looked at me and said, did you gain some weight? Honey, what did she mean? Am I fat? And then you smile and you understand. It has nothing to do with you. She's upset because her girlfriend made a stupid comment and you tell her that. Don't listen to Jennifer. She probably had a bad day with her boyfriend and she put all of her frustration on you. You're the most beautiful woman. I love you. What else bothers you? And then listen what else bothers her. And after she vents, you ask her again, how you feel now? What else is going on? And let her vent even more. And then you ask her finally, how can I help you? What else can I do for you? How can I make your day better? And I promise you, at that point, either she'll ask whatever is still missing, or she will just hold you and tell you thank you for allowing her to vent to you. Because to a woman, we are very emotional creatures. We need to vent, we need to talk even more. And I understand, on a daily basis it's very hard to do because you men cannot comprehend 3,000 to 5,000 words that a woman needs to vent on a daily basis. Well, that's why she needs girlfriends. When you see she's very lonely, very depressed, or very sad, do this at least few times a week, and you're gonna see how you and your wife or your girlfriend starts to bond on the emotional level. And when you bond with a woman on an emotional level, guess what happens? She desires you. She starts to trust you. She starts to feel safe with you. And at the end of the day, that's what makes a woman happy. And let's be honest, if a woman is happy, you're happy. And the entire family is happy. So my friends, please again remember, these are the questions to ask a woman. How do you feel, honey? What's going on? What else bothers you? How can I help you? What else can I do to make your day better? And when you ask these questions, just allow her to vent and share with you her feelings. Because women are very emotional creatures and you guys are very intellectual and rational creatures. We're different, but we complement each other. So allow her to be a woman who likes to vent, a woman who likes to share her feelings. Namaste, my friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, your comments and your likes.